How about some building generators, 3D models kit bash, engine effects pack, and a sky cloud system? Sounds good. And what's even better is that they're free for you to have. So let's see what we have on today's video.
Okay, let's go.
Starting with this list, we have the USSR Post Builder, a geometry nodes-based system to create simple yet pretty awesome building, available on Gumroad for free, so you can grab it now. This one is somewhat similar to the Buildify add-on, so it looks fun to play with. At number 2 we have the Skylab add-on, a tool to create stunning realistic skies and atmospheres in Blender. You can also generate procedural clouds, fogs, and lighting that will bring your 3D project to life. You can get it now from Gumroad for free. The add-on, as the author describes it, is inspired from the Pure Sky Pro add-on, which is not totally free but has a try-out version. So give it a try. Next in line we have the Engine FX's add-on, a procedural engine burst pack to create stunning thrust effect. This one is not free with its full edition, however it has a free version to get you familiar with the tool, and the price on it is somewhat affordable if you have an online paying method. At number 4 we have the Cargo Kit from Kitbash 3D, a brand new asset browser loaded up with all of your kit asset. It supports multiple software, and among them is Blender. A quite good number of those assets are totally free for you to get and import to your work. You can go to the site and download the Cargo app. The process after that is just simple. Filter for free asset and import them while Blender is running. You can also visit their channels to see all around other software if you're interested. The Abandoned City Generator, a geometry node-based system to create terrains, roads, buildings, and vegetation, then make them into city blocks all around the factor of abandonees. Available on Gumroad for free so you can get it now. One thing to mention is to go easy on it with low-end PC since I felt it's a bit heavy on my machine. The Floorplanner, a simple tool for beginners to make lines into walls and create floor plans. The author seems interested in adding more updates to it regarding Boolean, so I thought it worth the time if you're new to making floor plans. At number 7 we have the Wiggle Bone add-on, a tool that allows you to add some physics to bones. You can assign some bones to the jiggly wiggly effect. Available on GitHub for free so you can go there, hit the green code button, and get the zip file from it as usual. Last on this list, we have Simplicage, a Blender add-on to quickly generate physics-ready cages for your models through Blender Cloth Physics. Available on the market, and this one, as the author tags it, is not for beginners. However, there's a full tutorial on how to use this tool and all the links to there is down in the description. So level up and just go and watch it if you're interested. That's it for today. Like the video if you're still here, and see you guys next time. Stay sharp, goodbye.